In this video, I'm going to show you different types of settings that you can set on the widgets. So first of all, let's refresh the backend. So we get all the data from start. Let's look into this one. So this one, the last call was at 9:25, 10 seconds, and you'll see here the marker is green. But after 10 seconds, it becomes orange. And so this is to tell the user that this data is now outdated. In terms of code, we can go here into the settings one. And you can see here, this is how you do it. So you set the still time to 10 seconds, essentially. Then we have the markdown widget with short refetch interval. So here, there's going to be a 5-second refetch interval. And so you can see it's happening. So it never really gets still. There's not a still per se. And it refetches automatically. You can also have like real-time widget. But in this case, it's to show that you can automatically refresh the data on a specific interval. In terms of code, we're looking into something very simple, which is just a refetch interval. Now we're going to combine both and see that behavior. So here you can see that it's going to refresh every 10 seconds interval, but after 5 seconds interval, it becomes still. So here you can see it's orange, it's still, and after one more second, became green, and this jumped to 20. So you can create interesting patterns based on the type of data that you have at hand. Finally, I want to show you the run button. So you can set this run button to true. And this is also used on our Snowflake native app, which basically tells you that the widget is not going to query data unless you click on this run button. So when you click on it to run, then it's going to get data. So you can see here that it got updated. But even with the run button, you can select refetch interval. So you can say that, at every 5 seconds, there's going to be the data being refetched. Or I can say, okay, you saw that it was refetched, or I can click run and you can see that me running it also triggers. And now after another 5 seconds, it will be updated. And that code, how does it look? Is basically a run button with the refetch interval. So that's it for the settings.